Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a flip through and state of my One Little Word project for 2023. If you've been joining me for One Little Word, I do believe I have a few videos showing off some of like the art journal spreads in here. And I'll admit, this is my first time actually doing an album and having the workshop. I will say the workshop has kept me, one, accountable because I check in, but B, I have a love-hate relationship with this project. And mostly because of along with the class, there are certain like tasks that, you're kind of an approach to viewing your word, approach to seeing how your word is in your life, or how are you taking your journey with your word through the year. And for about 2 months of them or so, I had a hard time with the prompt. So I didn't do anything other than my reflection. So I do these videos because I think hopefully this will be the next one in this kind of checking in series I'm doing, is showing you that I am still showing up for it. It's okay that it's not perfect and complete. I am still proud of what I have, but by no means have I been up to date and are all the prompts per the workshop in here. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that because, like I said, it's my first true attempt at this project, and this is how it's been done. And I think a lot of it too has come with the fact that my word is balanced. And, for me, I was trying to look at it for a way to almost like reset my prioritizing of things, and try to put a heavier conscience on health and wellness and my exercising and getting fit again, because I have let that go. Being more present with my daughter, being present while I'm at work, and putting more effort to being consistent with my crafting hobby, since I have a lot of subscribers. And so I think in certain months though too, along with the prompt, I just didn't see my word popping up. If anything, I got frustrated because I was like, there is no balance. I'm just living day to day, and I'm just adaptable, and that's just the way it has to be. And so that has something to do with it. But let me show you so far what my January through July looks like here in my One Little Word. There is there's a reel for this one. These are using Planet Darby stickers, and then that's just die cuts for my word balance. I do have a process video when I set up my One Little Word, because I did a lot of these mono printing, gel printing, and setting up the beginning aspect of this project. This as well was all on there. I have kept up with the selfie per month. So these little frames were in the kit itself. And I got used to doing just a staple, because when I did the adhesive, I just didn't like the way it looked. And so to get all 12 across the photos, I'm just adding like one quote per quad. And it's been going good. And there's July done as well. Haven't done anything for my August. January with the divider, and my album I'm using is last year's album. It is not this year's, so last year's came with these dividers. I did all the cards. The process video for setting this up is all on my channel, and I wanted this mixed media. It's from the Brayer offsets, which is perfect for me. And then I just kind of had a few photos on how balance was showing up in my life, and then filling in extra stuff with quotes and things I find online. Then I found a use for these 3x8 cards from the Stories by the Month by Ali Edwards. I use one every month, and this I have stayed consistent to reflect on the month. So where balance showed up, how I used it, what I'm going to do better the next month, and like a reflection each month. And I have been consistent with that. On the opposite side, I just always back it with some scrapbook paper. Then for February, I did an attempt at getting back into mixed media. You've been following me, you know that I am showing more of this content on my channel, and it all started with this project. So that is a bonus point for this project, is because that was one of my tasks, like to give myself permission to just play. There's a process video for this one. Love how this one turned out. Again, with the scrapbook paper and the 3x8 reflection page for February. Scrapbook paper, then March. So here we are with March, that I just have the reflection in here. I believe March was to like write a poem to your word or something. And I think, like I said, at that point, I'm just having a hard time at March, like didn't know how to write a poem. So I skipped it. I probably could go back now and maybe just make reference that I wrote it in August for the prompt of write poetry. I just haven't yet. Once again, some scrapbooking paper. April, Again, no project from the prompts. I can't remember what April was. Maybe it was that the one like having conversations with your word? Again, it was just a little bit too abstract for me to understand to do with my word balance, because probably once again, if I read this, I was frustrated in April. So here we are with the selfie once again. And I always made sure the selfie was different on these than it was in the front. So these are entirely other selfies that I took. Scrapbook paper, then May. May's prompt was a day of saying yes to things. And so for me, I didn't do it just in one day. I just did it like saying yes to certain things in abundance for the month. So I have gardening photos. I said spoiling myself, exercise. So I got a few days I was in the elliptical and bike riding with my daughter. And then spoiling Violet. In May, she graduated VPK. So I know I was everything for graduation for her. She got her ears pierced. We went to Build-A-Bear. She was spoiled. She was loved. And then here's my May reflection. Love that I do this. Backed it with scrapbooking paper. Then June. This one was so fun to do. And all these elements are from, well, wait, this, and this are from like the One Little Word kit. And then the wood veneer are from the sequins pack that I used here from Spiegelmom Scraps. Pattern paper. These elements are from One Little Word as well. Then June is always like a progress thing. So you fill out these cards that come in the kit. And I did write kind of what I already explained to you, how some months are hard. I'm thinking about changing my word, but I'm staying with it and just using a companion word, which is consistency for me. So I guess that's a small win in getting, I guess I always want like just better habits for myself is really what my balance comes down to. Here's my reflection once again with June. That was a fun selfie. I think that selfie too is also in my All About Me album because I liked it so much that month. Then some pattern paper, more pattern paper. This was some art journaling playing too. This was a process video on my channel. It came out so good. Love it, love it. And then this was just a poem that I got on Google about balance. Pattern paper to complement. So in July, we just had almost have a conversation once again with your word and then you to your word. And Allie did a prompt where she made herself like homemade postcards and then mailed them to herself so that you did have like the postage stamp and everything else. So I did follow along, but I didn't make my own. These were actually postcards I had in Valentina's like little junk journal that I had for her. But I thought, you know what, we're a Disney house. I'm going to use them and send them for this one and add them in. And all I did was add in like acetate so that they were there. And then here is July's reflection already. I just haven't backed it with pattern paper because whatever I put first on this side will reflect what color I choose on that side. And so, yeah, so we're up to August, September, October. So I've been doing good. I'm proud for what I have. When I finish the album, it will be full because you can see where it is right there. So with another 5 months of, yeah, it'll get used. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to put like next year's in it. I don't even know if next year I will do this project because like I said, I've had a love-hate relationship with it. And this is probably too why. So I probably hopefully have put up my memory planner. And once again, this is a new project for me this year. So another project got put to the wayside. So it's okay. Like I said, I'm showing up for it. It's not perfect. It's not complete. It doesn't have everything done per month. But what it is right now, I am very happy I have done this project. So let me know down below. Are there projects that you are struggling to complete? Is it One Little Word for you? Or is it something else? I'd love to have a chit chat in the comments because you're not alone, because I don't finish everything perfectly either. And I'm just showing you that so that you know that I'm just like you. Some projects come very easily and other ones are a bit of a struggle from time to time, and that's okay. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.